In this video, we will discuss running the AutoRegression function using UnifyML SQL. Running the UnifyML AutoRegression algorithm with UnifyML query. Here, we execute the UnifyML AutoRegression function using UnifyML SQL. Let's take a look at this simple AutoRegression function. Before running the AutoRegression function, let's check the data that you are using for the UnifyML AutoRegression. We will use the housing table in this example. Run this query, and it will execute in the backend of our UnifyML server. Here is the output of the housing table. Now we will run this table through the AutoRegression function using our UnifyML query. What is AutoRegression? AutoRegression helps you assess the accuracy of each UnifyML regression function. Before running any of your UnifyML regression functions, run the AutoRegression to check the accuracy of the data with UnifyML regression functions. Based on this accuracy, you can select the appropriate UnifyML regression function for your model and prediction. Input table, mention your required input table. Input columns, specify the columns you want to use. Target column, this is the column you want to predict. Identify the column for prediction and mention that column. There are a few more parameters for the UnifyML AutoRegression function, which you can refer to in our UnifyML documentation. Input columns, target column, input algorithms. If you don't specify the input algorithm, it will give you the accuracy for all UnifyML regression functions. If you want accuracy for a specific regression algorithm, mention the desired input algorithm. Input table and input data types. If you want to change the data types of the columns, use the input data types parameter. Training sample size. Define the training data and test data by specifying the training sample size, with the remaining data being used for testing. Number partitions. Specify the number of partitions and the column for partitioning. Apply PCA model. If you want to apply the PCA model, set this parameter to true and specify the input PCA model name. Data cleaning. Cleaning the data can be done with 4 methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, or fill values. For fill values, you can fill null values or change data values as needed. Data scaling. Data can be scaled using 4 methods: min-max scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, and binarizer. For the min-max scaler, specify the minimum and maximum values. Input cache ID. If your table is already saved in the cache, you can use the input cache ID instead of the input table. Bytes per chunk. Specify the chunk size. These are the input arguments for the UnifyML AutoRegression function. Based on the requirements of your AutoRegression, mention the appropriate input arguments. Run this query, and it will execute in the backend of our UnifyML server. This is the output of the UnifyML AutoRegression. It shows all the UnifyML functions and their corresponding accuracy. Based on this, you can select the UnifyML regression function and run your regression functions. In this way, you can input any table into the AutoRegression function to assess the accuracy before running your UnifyML functions. Thank you for watching this video.